Hello friends, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. This time, we will learn how to create 3 stitches from 1 knit stitch, thereby increasing the stitches. I have 15 stitches on my needles, and I have knit 2 rows in stockinette stitch with classic stitches. Now let's try to make our increase. That is, we will get 3 stitches from 1. I will slip the first edge stitch onto the right needle. Then, since I'm working in classic knit, I will introduce the right needle into the stitch from left to right, as when knitting a classic knit stitch. I will grab the working yarn, pull it through, as if I have just knit a knit stitch. Then I won't slip this stitch off the left needle but will make a yarn over onto the right needle. Once again, I introduce the needle into our stitch and knit another knit stitch, as a classic one. As a result, I have 3 stitches and 1 edge stitch on the needle. Now we remove all of this from the left needle, transferring it to the right. Let's introduce the needle from left to right into the stitch again, as if we were knitting our knit stitch. But we won't slip this stitch off the left needle. Instead, we will immediately make a yarn over onto the right needle. I am making a yarn over here. Now, I introduce the needle again into the same stitch and knit a knit stitch. That is, I grab the working yarn and pull it through. Again, I have 3 stitches. I slip them from the left needle to the right. Once again, I introduce the right needle from left to right, grab the working yarn, pull it through, make a yarn over away from me, introduce the needle into the stitch again, and grab the working yarn, pulling it through. I remove everything from the left needle. This way, from 1 stitch we create 3. The yarn over can also be made towards you. Look, I introduce the right needle as if for a knit stitch. Grabbing and pulling the yarn, making a yarn over towards me, the needle towards me, the yarn away from me, and again, I introduce the needle like this, from left to right, as when knitting a knit stitch. Grab the working yarn and remove everything from the left needle. We also get 3 stitches, but here we simply knit our yarn overs differently from the purl side. This way, you can alternate knit stitches with yarn overs and get any odd number of stitches. However, we must end with a knit stitch. Thus, from 1 knit, we get 2 knits and 1 yarn over between them, resulting in 3 stitches. The number of yarn overs can be changed. If you knit using the continental method, you should knit 3 stitches not through the front, but through the back loop, introducing the right needle as you would for a continental knit stitch, just like that. That's all. I think everything was clear. If anything is unclear, ask questions, subscribe, like, and see you soon. Bye bye.